What is playing out or cheating out? Playing out and cheating out essentially mean the same thing for stage actors. Playing out means to play towards the audience and is most effective in a traditional theatre space where the audience are seated facing the stage head on and the actor has a backdrop behind them. Playing out is not natural for characters, but it is natural for the actor. Acting towards the audience is, in effect, a cheat. In real life, people would not have a conversation making sure that an audience could see and hear it. They'd be fully concentrating on the person or group that they're talking to and could be stood in any configuration, such as a small group in a circle, for example. However, in a traditional theatre space, a director expects an actor to act out towards the audience while still acknowledging the other characters that they are speaking to, whilst at the same time still making playing out look as natural as possible. Playing out asks an actor to constantly consider, can I be seen? Can I be heard? In certain types of genres, playing out can be more obvious. For example, in British pantomime or musical theatre. In a more serious play, it would need to be more subtle. Playing out is not always required in every moment of a play, wherein a director may ask an actor to turn away from the audience for a specific creative reason. There are many benefits to playing out for both the actor and the audience. Playing out can be helpful for audience members who may have a visual or hearing impairment, requiring the actor to communicate both visually and orally. For the actor, their voice can travel towards the audience more easily, and the audience have more opportunity to hear the dialogue projected from the stage. The actor's face is also more likely to be visible, even if partially at times it is in profile, which allows more of the audience to read their facial expressions and understand the character's deeper feelings. Depending on where an audience member is seated and the auditorium sightlines, they may be close enough to the stage to see the actor's eyes, which once again provides the audience with more understanding of the story and a connection to the characters. One of the most important aspects of being able to see an actor's face is the potential for an audience to lip read and confirm what is being said. Lip reading, also known as speech reading, helps an audience to interpret the movement of the lips, face and tongue in the context of the performance. Audiences that cannot see an actor's face or lips can often misinterpret what exactly was said, and this can affect their overall understanding of the plot and their overall enjoyment of the production. Being able to see an actor's face, mouth and lips can help an audience to process the sound. Actors can improve their playing out potential by working on open body positioning and being aware of the difference between open and closed positions on stage. They can also enhance their skill through effective footwork and the use of their hips as a pivot, all of which can be taught through a series of training exercises. The more experienced a stage actor, the more instinctive playing out becomes, making a director's job a lot easier.